Experiencing connection problems between your Targus docking station and your Mac? You're not alone. Many users face issues with USB-C compatibility, display outputs, and charging, especially with M1, M2, and M3 MacBooks. The most common causes are outdated firmware, incorrect connections, or software conflicts. First, ensure your Targus dock is certified for macOS. Then, update both your macOS to the latest version, 15.1 Sequoia or later, and the Targus dock's firmware via the Targus support website. Use high-quality, preferably Thunderbolt-certified USB-C cables. A direct connection to the Mac's USB-C port is also crucial for optimal performance. If basic updates don't resolve your Targus docking station issues, here are practical fixes to try. We'll cover restarts, hardware resets, settings checks, and advanced diagnostics. First, try restarting your Mac. This clears temporary glitches and can fix intermittent docking station problems. For Intel-based Macs, reset the system management controller by holding Shift, Control, Option, and Power simultaneously for 10 seconds. Then release and press Power to restart. This can fix power and peripheral issues. For Apple Silicon Macs, reset the parameter RAM by holding Command, Option, P, and R immediately after powering on until you hear the startup chime twice. This clears display and hardware settings. If displays aren't working, open System Settings, go to Displays, and click Detect Displays to manually identify your external monitor. Ensure the dock's port is in Alt mode for USB-C displays. For charging problems, verify your dock delivers enough power. MacBooks need at least 100 watts. Unplug all peripherals and test them one by one to find faulty connections. For deeper issues, run Apple Diagnostics by holding D during startup to test hardware. Alternatively, use System Information hardware to examine power delivery and USB bus errors. Finally, remember that consistent firmware updates for your Targus dock and using Thunderbolt-certified cables are essential for maintaining stable connections with your Mac.